Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to AceCat YouTube channel guys. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2022 guys. And students, to get the complete concept, you must watch this video completely guys. So let's read the question guys. All the vertices of a rectangle lie on a circle of radius capital R. If the perimeter of the rectangle is P, then the area of rectangle is what guys? So it was a very nice question guys. But you must show the courage to attempt this question guys na. Okay, when you will try to solve this, it will become very easy for you guys. Let me make diagram for you guys. So we are having this diagram guys. Now the circle, all the vertices of a rectangle lie on a circle of radius capital R. Okay, so we can see here all the vertex of rectangle are lie on the circle only. Okay, A, B, C, D. Students, do you agree with me guys? We all know rectangles, every angle is 90 degree. Okay, so if I join the diagonal BD guys, if I join a diagonal BD, if I join diagonal BD, we know that in semicircle the angle is 90 degree beta. If I am having a 90 degree angle here, it means this BD is what beta? BD is dividing circle in two equal parts. Are you getting my point? We all know in semicircle the angle is 90 degree guys. If you don't know, let's revise this property beta. If we are having center here, angle made by any 2 points of circumference on center is twice than the angle made by the same points on circumference. Are you getting my point guys? Similarly guys, if you are having 90 degree here from these 2 points, from so on center it must be twice of 90 beta. Twice of 90 means 180 beta. It means it is a straight line and center is lying on this line. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. Now guys, lie on a circle of radius R beta. So do you agree with me? BD will be equal to 2R because it is the diameter of circle guys. If the perimeter of the rectangle is P, perimeter of rectangle, let's assume L and B are the sides, so perimeter will be equal to what guys? Twice of L plus B, that we all know. So students, do you agree with me guys? Here we are having what beta? If it is L and B, we are having triangle BCD is a right angle triangle, and we all know L square plus B square must be equal to 4R square. Are you getting my point guys? Must be equal to 4R square. We are applying nothing but Pythagoras theorem. Base square plus perpendicular square must be equal to hypotenuse square. What we need to find out guys? Okay students, we need to find out the perimeter guys. Students, do you agree with me guys? If I want to find the perimeter, then I can do one thing beta. First of all, perimeter is given as P guys, and I need to find out what beta? Area. Students, do you agree with me guys? If I do the whole square here, it will become 4 into L plus B whole square must be equal to P square. Sir, how it will strike to you guys that we should do whole square here? Because I know that if I do L plus B whole square, I will have L square plus B square plus 2LB, where L into B will be the area of rectangle. We all know the area of rectangle guys, that is nothing but L into B guys. So ultimately what it will be guys? 4 into L square plus B square. One second guys. Plus twice of LB equal to P square guys. Do you agree with me guys? L into B is nothing but area, and we can put the value here now. So what is L square plus B square guys? That is 4R square sir. So 4 into 4r square, 4 into 4r square plus twice of area of rectangle must be equal to p square, guys. And now we all can solve this quite comfortably. Now we all can solve this quite comfortably, guys. So it will be, we need to find out the value of area, guys. So ultimately 4r square plus twice of a must be equal to p square by 4, guys. Yes or no? So 2a will be equal to what, guys? One second, guys. 2a will be equal to what? P square by 4 minus 4r square, or ultimately we can say area will be equal to p square by 8 minus 2r square. That is the correct answer, guys. P square by 8 minus 2r square. Option B is the correct answer. So how easy this question was, guys? You must know the basic properties of geometry, guys. You can solve these questions quite comfortably, guys. All questions are not going to be very difficult, guys. There are some easy question, moderate question, and we have to target these questions, guys. We cannot lose these marks in our CAT exam, students. So that's it from this class, guys. I am damn sure it is crystal clear to you, guys. We are going to meet you in the next class, guys. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, guys.